A suspicious activity warning on Fetch Rewards usually means the system detected account behavior that needs verification, not that your account has been permanently banned. By the end of this, you'll know what commonly triggers this warning, how to reduce the chances of further account restrictions, and what to do if the message doesn't go away. The first step is to stop making repeated changes to your account. If you've been logging in from multiple devices, switching between different internet connections, or attempting the same action over and over after an error, give the account some time before trying again. Repeated activity can make an automated review last longer. Next, check whether you're signed into the correct account. Using the wrong login method or accidentally accessing an older account can create confusion during account verification. If you originally signed up with Google, Apple, or another linked login, continue using that same method. Think about your recent activity. If you've submitted the same receipt multiple times, created another account, shared an account with someone else, or attempted to repeat promotional offers that are only intended once, the system may temporarily review your account. If any of those situations apply, avoid repeating them while the account is under review. Another good step is making sure your app is fully updated. An outdated version can sometimes create unexpected errors that look similar to account problems. Install the latest version, restart your device, and sign in again. If the suspicious activity message still appears, don't create a new Fetch Rewards account. Opening another account while your original account is being reviewed can create additional account issues and make support verification more difficult. Instead, contact Fetch Rewards support using the email address connected to your account. Include the exact warning message, your account email, your device model, and screenshots if possible. Explain the recent activity on your account honestly and clearly. Providing accurate information gives the support team the best chance to review your case quickly. If support requests additional verification, respond with the requested information as soon as you can. Keeping all communication in the same support conversation makes it easier for your case to be reviewed. While waiting for a response, avoid repeatedly logging in, reinstalling the app several times, or submitting additional receipts if the account is already under review. Those actions usually don't speed up the process. To sum it up, stop repeated account activity. Verify you're using the correct login method, update the app, avoid creating another account, and contact support if the warning remains. Next, use one account, one consistent login method, and follow the platform's rules for receipts and referrals to reduce the chance of future account reviews. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering receipt issues, account recovery, and missing rewards.